Hello and welcome. Today we are going to learn about geometry. Specifically, we will learn how to classify or group triangles based on the lengths of their sides. There are three special names we use for this. First, let's quickly review what a triangle is. A triangle is a polygon, which means it is a closed shape with straight lines. It has exactly three sides, three corners called vertices, and three interior angles. Before we name the triangles, we need to understand how diagrams show side length. We use small lines called tick marks. When you see sides with the same number of tick marks, it means those sides are the same length. In geometry, we call this congruent. There are three main types of triangles when we look at their sides. These are the Equilateral Triangle, the Isosceles Triangle, and the Scalene Triangle. Let's look at each one closely. First is the Equilateral Triangle. The word equi means equal, and lateral means side. So, an equilateral triangle has three equal sides. On a diagram, you will see a matching tick mark on every single side. Second is the Isosceles Triangle. This type of triangle has exactly two equal sides. The third side is a different length. On a diagram, you will see matching tick marks on just two of the sides. Third is the Scalene Triangle. A scalene triangle has no equal sides. All three sides are different lengths. You might see no tick marks at all, or you might see different numbers of tick marks on each side to show they do not match. Here is a quick way to remember them. Equilateral has three equal sides. Isosceles has two equal sides. Scalene has 0 equal sides. It counts down 3, 2, 0. Let's practice. Look at this triangle. It has tick marks on two of its sides, but not the bottom one. Since it has two equal sides, this is an isosceles triangle. To summarize, if you see three different sides, it's scalene. If you see two equal sides, it's isosceles. And if all three sides are equal, it's equilateral. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your geometry.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.